Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm really excited about this one today. I've been wanting this set of tools for quite some time and I've been putting it off, but I finally got it. This is the Astro metric Nano Sockets. They're really cool. They are 3/8 inch. They go from 6 to 24. It's a no skip set, comes on the rail. The only criticism I have, there's no magnet on this rail, so it's there. But let me try this 2-camera setup. Can give you a close-up view. You can see how they're all clearly marked. Great little set, comes on the rail like I said. You can use them any way you want. You can put them on a ratchet, 3/8 inch ratchet. They work great. See that? Or you can use them on your impact. You got a 3/8 inch impact. Look how shallow that is. Get you into places you might not be able to get into otherwise.
That's what he said.
And while all of that is cool, you can also, every single one of them has a 17 millimeter hex head on the bottom. So you can take your 17 millimeter wrench and use that. That is a cool little trick. The only problem with that is there's no retention on that. They fall out. So Astro also makes the Astro Tool 78318. This is a 18 inch 17 millimeter ratchet and it has a retainer clip inside. Let me show you that. Let me see if I can get that to focus. See that silver ring in there? See how it does, it catches the light pretty good. Well, that interfaces with these little detents on the socket and it'll hold it in there. So you just pop it in. It won't fall out. It's a flex head. You can see, neat little flex head. Love it. It is a great tool. Wow, it really holds it in there. The only downside is it's not reversible. There is no reversing switch, so obviously you have to flip it over if you want to loosen or tighten. Either way, works great, but it'll get you into places that other tools won't.
Giggity.
So let's just say you've got your, let me see, this is a 16. Gonna set that there. And let me find the 16 over here. I think it's like this one. No, that's a 17. So that means since it's no skip, the next one down, there you go. So it shows you the difference, but so if you take your normal 16, put it on your normal ratchet, and you take that same 16, put it in their ratchet, look at the difference. That is a good, at least 3/4 inch difference of clearance that you're gonna get. Maybe even more.
If he's lucky.
If you gotta work in tight spaces, there's nothing better than these Nano Sockets. And like I said, you can use them with your regular, like if you can get in there and you just don't have room to ratchet, you can get your open end on it. You can use it in the close end. Another cool thing about it, if you don't wanna spend the 35 bucks, I mean 35 bucks. This whole setup, by the way, the sockets were less, they were like 55 bucks. The ratchet, 35. So for 90 bucks, you get 24 shallow impact socket or nano impact sockets and the ratcheting wrench. But if you don't want to do that, some places sell these. Now this is just a piece off of one of my rails, but it's a good idea. All you do, so you got your socket in there, you just pop this into the back, and now look, it's secure. It's not coming out unless you pop it out. So that was, like I said, this is just one of the pieces I had, an extra piece I had from one of my socket rails, but they do make these and sell these separately for just a few bucks. So if you don't want to spend the extra money for one of these, you've got a 17 inch wrench, I mean a 17 millimeter wrench, just get one of these retainers, pop it on there, it's not falling out. So yeah, that's the Astro Nano Impact Sockets, no skip, from 6 to 24, comes with the rail. You can get it off Amazon. It's a great deal. One of my favorite new tools that I've gotten in a long time. I think I'm gonna get some good use out of it. So check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe if you made it this far. you really need to subscribe. Only about 5% of you guys watching are subscribers. And you would really be helping me out if you just hit that subscribe button. It's free for the rest of the year. Don't forget, I'm trying to get to 26,000 by the end of 2026. I'm currently at 400. That just means I have 25,600 to go. Not that bad. Come on, subscribe. Until next time, guys, ramble on. You know you want to subscribe.